Dude,
Why is his face so fucked
I
up?
kept scrolling to find that one BF4 whatever, and I got this stupid long ass motorcycle.
oh no! What is that?
I can't see.
What is that? Bro, I
What
seen
the
that shit on fucking
That's
Quora
Paris
yesterday.
is going fake
That's a-
mode, dude. Look at that. Look at
That's
that
a
shit.
drag fucking car, bro. What the fuck?
I swear to God, I've seen that shit on fucking Quora yesterday.
I'll slingshot you, Aiden. Come on.
Damn.
Oh, yo, Omar is fast as fuck.
Ruthless, bro. What the
shit,
fuck?
Oh my God. First,
Omar's so fast, though.
He's a drag car, bro. I told you he's a drag car.
Omar, chill out, bro. Omar.
No, Omar, don't chill out. Fuck him up. Fuck him up.
Omar is so pissed off right now.
Dude, you fucking woke up today and chose violence.
It's always against me too. Why me?
Well, because everyone's been bumping.
Oh shit, dude! Omar killed me.
Oh, hey, what up, bro?
Nice.
I'm back in third, boys. Let's go.
Wow.
Oh my fucking! I can't believe I went fucking flying.
All right, I'm gonna
Wait.
go eat. So just kick me from the next one. I'll hop back on in a sec. I'll leave my mic on.
Alright.
That shit was so What the fuck just happened?
Omar
saw that?
Omar fucking punted that fucker.
Oh.
Omar fucking
That felt
punted
good.
that fucker up in the sky, bro.
That felt good.
Bro, oh my, I saw that on the live. And, dude, you sent that guy out of frame within a second. Oh my God. Oh my God.
And
You're
Omar
a menace.
Who really would?
Omar was so badass, dude. He literally murdered me and just took it.
Oh, he murdered you, bro. I shoot.